Most people think carrots only stay fresh for a week or two before turning soft, rubbery, or moldy. But growers and home cooks have known a different secret for years. With the right storage method, carrots can stay crisp for months, sometimes even an entire year. And the surprising part? Most people accidentally ruin their carrots before they even put them in the fridge. Today, I'm going to show you 6 powerful carrot storage methods that actually work. From simple refrigerator tricks to old-fashioned preservation techniques farmers still use today. Some of these methods cost almost nothing. One of them can keep carrots fresh for up to a year. And at the end, I'll show you how carrot peels can become a natural fertilizer your plants will love. Let's begin. The first mistake almost everyone makes is leaving the carrot tops attached. Those green tops may look fresh, but they pull moisture from the carrots incredibly fast. That's why carrots often become limp after only a few days. So before storing carrots any way at all, always remove the tops first. It's a tiny step, but it makes a massive difference. Another important detail is moisture. Too much moisture causes mold. Too little moisture dries carrots out. The goal is balance, and this first method does exactly that. Start by laying out a few paper towels on a tray or countertop. Wrap the carrots gently inside the paper towels before placing them into a sealed container. The paper absorbs excess moisture that would normally collect around the carrots and cause mold or soft spots. Once the container is full, seal it tightly and place it in the vegetable drawer of your refrigerator. The ideal temperature is between 1 and 5 degrees Celsius. Simple as it sounds, this method can keep carrots fresh and crisp for 1 to 2 months. And honestly, it's one of the easiest food-saving tricks you can use at home. Carrots are also packed with nutrition, rich in beta-carotene, fiber, potassium, and vitamin K1. They support eye health, digestion, skin health, and the immune system. So keeping them fresh longer also means wasting less healthy food. This next method is perfect if you want convenience. Start by peeling the carrots and cutting them into smaller pieces or sticks. Then place them vertically into a clean glass jar. Now fill the jar with cold, clean water until the carrots are completely submerged. Seal the jar tightly and place it in the refrigerator. The water acts like a moisture shield, helping the carrots stay incredibly crisp and fresh. In fact, many people say the carrots feel almost freshly harvested, even after weeks in the fridge. There's only one important rule. Change the water every 2 to 3 days. If the water becomes cloudy, bacteria can grow quickly and spoil the carrots. But with regular water changes, this method works beautifully for 2 to 3 weeks. And when you need carrots for cooking, they're already washed, peeled, and ready to use. If you buy carrots in bulk, freezing may be the best option of all. Peel the carrots, trim the tops, and cut them into evenly sized pieces. You can slice them for soups, cut sticks for stir fries, or dice them for stews. Then place the carrots into a zip-top freezer bag. Spread them out evenly, seal the bag almost completely, and use a straw to remove as much air as possible before sealing it fully. This creates a low-oxygen environment that slows freezer damage and helps preserve flavor and texture. Once frozen, carrots can last anywhere from 6 months to a full year. And the best part? You can take out exactly what you need without thawing the entire bag. It saves money, reduces food waste, and makes future cooking much faster. Now, here's a method many people have never heard of. You can actually store carrots at room temperature for around 2 weeks if you protect them properly. Instead of plastic bags, wrap the carrots loosely in bubble wrap. The bubble wrap helps slow moisture loss while still allowing airflow. That balance helps prevent the carrots from drying out too quickly. Plastic bags, on the other hand, trap too much moisture and often cause carrots to spoil faster. It's a surprisingly simple trick, but it works. This next technique has been used for generations, and honestly, it still works incredibly well today. Choose carrots that are firm and undamaged. If they still have a little dirt on them, don't wash them yet. That thin layer of natural soil actually helps protect the carrots and retain moisture. Place dry sand or dry sawdust into a wooden or cardboard box. Lay the carrots inside without touching each other, then cover them with another layer of sand. Repeat the process until the box is full. Then store the box somewhere cool, dry, and dark. A porch, storage room, or space under the stairs works perfectly. With this method, carrots can stay fresh for 2 to 3 months, sometimes even longer during cool weather. It's old school food preservation, but it's incredibly effective. And there's one more important detail. Never store carrots near apples or bananas. Those fruits release ethylene gas, which causes carrots to spoil much faster. If you want the longest-lasting refrigerator storage with the least amount of waste, vacuum sealing is one of the best methods available. First, wash and dry the carrots completely. This step is extremely important because trapped moisture can shorten storage life. For longer freezer storage, blanch the carrots in boiling water for 2 to 3 minutes, then immediately transfer them into ice water. This helps preserve both texture and color. Next, place the carrots into vacuum bags and remove the air completely before sealing. No vacuum sealer? No problem. Place the bag slowly into a bowl of water and let the pressure push the air out naturally before sealing the top. Stored in the refrigerator, vacuum-sealed carrots can last 1 to 2 weeks. In the freezer, they can stay fresh for up to 6 months. It's clean, organized, space-saving, and incredibly convenient for meal prep. Most people throw carrot peels straight into the trash, but those peels can actually become a simple, natural fertilizer for your plants. First, rinse the peels thoroughly. Then place them into a heat-resistant jar or bowl and pour boiling water over them, like tea. Cover the container and let it sit for 6 to 12 hours. After it cools, strain out the peels and dilute the liquid using 1 part carrot water to 3 parts regular water. Use it to water herbs, flowers, or leafy vegetables once or twice a week. The water contains natural minerals and nutrients that many plants respond well to. It's a simple way to reduce waste while giving your garden a natural boost. So those are 6 powerful ways to keep carrots fresh longer. From quick refrigerator hacks to traditional preservation methods farmers have trusted for generations. Some methods are perfect for everyday cooking. Others can keep carrots stored for months. Now, I want to know, which method surprised you the most? And which one are you going to try first? Leave a comment below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Home DIY Tips, and turn on notifications for more smart kitchen tips, food storage secrets, and practical home hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.